Alright, this is Ava Rose and Max. They didn't wait for me.
And we're going to be taking you with us for our bike ride.
Alright, we're going to go on a bike ride.
And if you don't know, the only reason I have my helmet on is because, the reason I have my helmet on is because yesterday I was on my bike and I curved and I fell and I got a knot on the back of my head.
She did. You got a big old knot. But it's better now, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens. But
It just hurts.
does it still hurt?
Mm-mm.
No.
It hurts. It only hurts. It's not big. It just hurts.
Mikey, you going to go for a ride with us?
Yeah.
Can you put Max in the house, please? Max, we're going to go for a ride and you can't come with us. I'm sorry, buddy.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to run.
Hi, buddy. You say hi to the camera? It is muggy. I'm sweating already. It's not even... What is it, like 10:30? I feel the sweat. The sweat is bad. I gotta clean my gutters. Ew. Shit, that's nasty. Here I am. Can you, like I said, can you put Max in the house? Ava? I bet he will. And we're going to turn around.
I bet he won't. Hey guys, what's your favorite video game?
What's your favorite video game?
Fortnite.
What was it?
Fortnite.
No way. You don't like Fortnite. Ava. You just poured Gatorade all down the front of you.
Maybe she's hot.
We pour water down you. You mean turn the sprinklers on?
After a bike ride. This is on my favorite YouTuber too. Home of Games.
Why are you talking like a baby?
I'm not. And I can't really talk normal because of the thing right now.
That's Barbie's new dog.
I've been talking like this like all day.
Michael got a thing put in his mouth to fix his underbite. Last week, 2 weeks ago?
Okay guys, I'm back.
Right.
Bobby's dog.
Let's go. Yeah. Stay, Max. Stay. Hey, who put this trash over here in my yard? Ava, I told you guys, Max was not going to stay. Max. Hi, Miss Barbie. Max, come on. Come on, Max. Come on. Come on, Max. Come on, buddy. You know what? I'll put this camera down and get the leash and take you with us, okay? I can't hold this camera and you. Alright. Max, are you sure you want to go for a ride? You're going to be tired. Whoa. Max has been sick lately. For some reason. Alright, Max. Let me turn this camera off. Okay.